Hi everyone, so in this video tutorial we're going to be covering the observer design pattern through a practical approach. So what the design pattern covers is the communication between object states. So when one object state changes, all the other dependent objects on it will receive the state changes. So that's basically on a high level what the observer design pattern is all about. So let's get to the practical approach. We're gonna create a new Java project. So if you're wondering what IDE I'm using the Eclipse IDE. So create a new Java project. So our project will mimic a blog post Twitter-like application. So let's name it a celebrity blog app. So what our application will be doing is that when the celebrity makes a post, just like on our applications, the specific followers will receive the post that the celebrity has made. So that's basically how we will be implementing our observer design pattern. So let's just click finish and our application will be created. After our application has been created, let's create a new package and let's call the package main. So within the main package, let's create another package, call it interfaces, where we will be placing all our interfaces in. In interfaces, we're gonna create our first interface. So let's create the observer interface, which will be our first interface. So all the objects that will implement this interface will be the observers. So mostly this will be our followers. So the followers will implement this observer interface. So after implementing this interface, they will be able to follow posts made by our celebrities. So this interface will have public void notify subscribers, and it will receive a string of a message and string name, which will be the celebrity name. Then we will create our subject interface, which will be the observable subject. So what this interface will be doing is that this interface will be implemented by our celebrities. So the celebrities will implement this interface so that they'll be able to add subscribers and also notify the observers for changes in their lives. So public void add subscriber, then we'll use the observer interface, and public void remove subscriber, and it will remove the specific observer, and public void notify subscribers. So for notify subscribers, it will receive only a message. So now we're gonna create a new package, call it models, not models, model. So in this package, let's create our new Java class, which will be the follower class, the followers for the specific celebrities. So this class will implement the observer. So this class will implement the observer that we have just defined. So let's add unimplemented methods. Then in this notify subscribers, we will define it later. So what each follower will have a name. Let's define it as follower name, follower name as a private access. And also after having a follower, let's define our constructor public follower, and we'll save the specific name follower name. Then let's set this name to our object follower name or namer follower name. So after setting it, let's add the specific getter and setters for the follower name as a standard for object-oriented programming. Let's generate the getters and setters. So here are they, or you can just type them however you want. So we have the follower name, the constructor here, and the getters and setters for the follower name. Then here we're just gonna output the print. So within each object, it will receive changes made by the specific celebrity, which we will be defining in a short while. So here, this object will receive changes from the celebrity that we will be creating. So let's say that hey, each object will receive hey and the name of the specific follower plus this dot follower name, and it will notify the specific follower that the celebrity has made a post, and it will display also what the post is about. So here it will display the name of the specific follower, then tell the follower that they've made a post, hey, and let's put the name of the specific celebrity which will be received here, and it will notify that the specific celebrity has made a post. Then we'll insert the specific post as a message that the celebrity has made. So once a celebrity makes a post, then notifies all of the subscribers. So when all of the subscribers receive the specific post, this method will be called to display the specific post that the celebrity has made. So let's go and create a new celebrity model, new class, call it celebrity. So what the celebrity class will be doing, it will implement the subject interface, the point of attraction, the one we're interested in. So let's add all the unimplemented methods. So after adding all the unimplemented methods, let's just remove these comments. So what the celebrity will have, a name also. Let's say private string name, but let's say celebrity name to be specific. So also what the celebrity will have, it will maintain all the lists of the specific observers. So let's say private list and say observer, then say observers is equals to new array list. So the list of all the observers for the specific celebrity will be maintained here. So let's say here, let's say observers dot add observer. Then here, when you remove, we're gonna remove from the list, say observers dot remove that specific observer. So in the notify subscribers, because we have an array list of all the observers, the people who are interested in this specific celebrity, we are gonna go through, loop through everything, loop through all the observers and notify them of changes within our celebrity. So let's say observers dot for each specific observer. Then we want to notify the observer that notify subscribers. So if you can see here, we are calling the observer and calling the notify subscribers. So this dot celebrity name, so notify subscribers will call the specific implementation within the followers, which is this one. Let me just zoom out. We will call this notify subscribers in the follower class. So as you can see, the specific observer will be notified and be sent the message and the specific celebrity name that has made the changes. So everything now is currently being set up. So let's create a constructor for this celebrity. Then say celebrity will receive a string of celebrity name. Then let's assign this celebrity name to the celebrity name within our object. So once we have instantiated the celebrity, giving it a name, we will be able to add subscribers to this specific celebrity, remove subscribers here, then notify subscribers of any message that the celebrity makes, or we could say post. So now inside the main package, let's create a new class and let's call it blog celebrity blog app. So this will be the main entry of our application, public static void, say static void and string GS. So this will be the main entry. So let's define a new celebrity, then say celebrity and call him celebrity1 is equals to new celebrity. So the celebrity's name will be Gionce. This will be the name of our celebrity. So first we're gonna create celebrity, then create followers for celebrity and assign them to celebrity. Then with the celebrity will make a post. this will be the steps. So first, we have created the celebrity. Let's just create it, place it here. Then we're gonna create the follower, then follower 1 is equals to new follower. So the follower's name is Peter Barker, and let's create a new follower. Then follower 2, and it's equals to new follower. Then name it Jane Doe. So let's create the third follower. The follower will be John Doe. So they will all be following who? Beyonce, in our small celebrity 1. Dot add subscriber. So let's add follower 1. So they will all be following Beyonce. Dot add follower and follower 1, follower 2. Then let's add the follower 3, which will be John Doe. So we've created our celebrity followers, then added followers for our celebrity. Now our celebrity will make a post. Celebrity 1 dot notify subscribers. So with notifying subscribers, so the celebrity is having a good day with family. So our celebrity will post having a good day with family. Then all of the celebrities' followers will be notified of this specific post that the celebrity will be making. So let's just zoom in. So created a celebrity, added followers, subscribed, then the celebrity will make a post. So let's run our application and see what will be happening. So run as Java application. So as you can see, now all of the followers received a post notification to tell them, hey, Peter Barker, Beyonce, the celebrity you're following, has made a post having a good day with family. Hey, Jane Doe, Beyonce has made a post having a good day with family. So that's basically how to implement the observer design patterns.